I think it's a pretty proven fact that everybody loves brunch. It's the perfect combination between lunch and breakfast. But for people like me, who like McDonald's, they don't have brunch. So what is the solution to this problem? Well, I think I've come up with that. I like to call it the brunch burger, aka the Egg McCheeseburger. Let's have a look. I have an odd request for you. Can you take that Egg McMuffin and put it in between a double cheeseburger for me?
Give me double cheeseburger patty?
Like right in between a whole double cheeseburger.
We can do pretty much anything.
Alright, cool, let's do that. Double cheeseburger and an Egg McMuffin, and stick the Egg McMuffin in between the cheeseburger.
Okay, so you want me to get rid of the muffin though?
Nope, whole thing.
Okay. Alright, and would you like fry to that today?
No, thank you.
Okay, pull ahead to your first window and I'll get that all sorted for you.
An unassuming McDonald's bag, offering Monopoly. Now let's see what they've created for me at McDonald's. Upon reaching into the bag, it's big and heavy. Let's see what we've got in the box. Ah yes, the Egg McCheeseburger, or the brunch burger. An Egg McMuffin stuffed in between a double cheeseburger. Exactly as it is. Well, I'm going to eat this and enjoy it. You know, a bite into it and already it doesn't taste as bad as I thought it would. So here we have it. The perfect combination of breakfast and lunch at McDonald's. But you can only get it if you're lucky enough to be there at the exact time of changeover.